This is Positive Will 365, and today I'm going to teach you to be financially literate and begin your path to financial freedom. The first step to being financially literate is changing your mindset. You change your mindset from I need it now to I'll get it when I can afford it. The average person today would rather use their credit card and get something now than wait till they have the money to get it. And before you know it, that turns into a mountain of high interest debt. Paying off bad debt is a fundamental part of being financially free, because you can't be financially free if your money is going to debt instead of to your lifestyle and what you want to do with it. The second step is to create a budget. When creating a budget, I like to use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% goes to expenses, 30% goes to your wants, and 20% goes to savings. Now, this might not be doable for you right now, but that should be your goal, to pay it down until you can afford to live on 50% of your income. The third step to financial freedom is paying off your debt. The best way to pay off your debt is one of these two accelerated debt payoff plans: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. On the debt snowball, you pay the minimum on all your debt, except for the smallest amount. You take all your extra income and you pay it towards that to pay it off. You pay it off first, and then you move up to the next amount and you pay it off. The debt avalanche is very similar, but instead of paying the smallest amount, you pay the one with the highest interest first. Although both of these are great plans, the debt avalanche will probably save you more on interest, but the debt snowball will keep you motivated because you can see that balance going down faster. So make your choice, pay down that debt to get on your path to financial freedom. And the fourth step to financial freedom is to invest your savings. As a first-time investor, I would suggest that you download a free brokerage account with Robinhood, Stash, or Webull. I'll be putting links in the description below for you to receive free stocks when you sign up. Also, as a new investor, I wouldn't just suggest funding your account and buying random stocks. I would suggest getting in, buying index funds, ETFs, until you get time to educate yourself to make an educated decision on the stocks you want to buy. Now, this is the real path to becoming financially free. Now you have this education, get out there, start your journey to financial freedom. Subscribe to Positive Will 365 for more financial tips.